5K in a day, and this is how to make panty dropping landing pages. So I'm gonna break down the complete landing page structure that I've used to generate over $6 million USD in revenue online. So just so you know that this is legit, so as you guys can see, we're on the Shopify dashboard right now, and we'll do a quick refresh check for you guys. So there you go, there you have it. There's a 5K day. This is on one of my 3 stores. So let's dive into the video. Do the product page. So what you do is you just click on here and you just go products, and we're gonna create a new template. So you're just gonna go create template. You're gonna call it thermal brush. You're just gonna go create template. And then it's going to show you here. So you can see we have the reviews, we have the emoji benefits, the variant picker, description here. So this is the layout. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to structure the home page. So we're going to add everything in this video. The only thing that will be in a separate video is how to add the GIFs, which the GIFs will go into this section here, and also into the product description, which will be a separate video. So we're going to start from the top and work out a way down. So the first thing you want to do is you want to copy these. You want to go to ChatGPT and you say give me 3 emoji benefits for thermal brush product. So it's gonna think, and here we go. So it's gonna go back now. Let's copy these, and we're actually going to put these, yeah, we're gonna leave them there. And then for the variant picker, I usually just turn off color swatches and just leave it like that, just leave it pills. And then the product description, you want to leave it as shown, but I will show you guys how to adjust it to make it look more appealing. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to edit the scrolling logo cloud. So speed, everything you want to leave the same. And then where it says client logo, what you're going to do is you're going to type in women's magazine. So we can see we got women's health. Actually we're going to put logos. So we got women's health. So we're just going to copy this, save image, save elegance. So we're just going to go elegance, Vogue logo, and you want to try and make sure the background is white. Okay, so just gonna copy either white or transparent. I'm pretty sure it has to be white, so just want to look for one that has a white background. This is one here, so get this one. Yeah, okay. So save image. Just gonna go save. I'm gonna go Cosmopolitan logo. Go this one here, so maybe, okay, save image as, and then you're going to click save, and you're going to go beauty magazines. So what else we got? L, so we're going to get that. So we're going to go L logo. And again, you want to look for one with a white background, so this one here. Yep. Okay, so we're going to save image as, we'll call it L, and save. So you want to have 5 of these brands, so we're just going to check how many we have. So we're just going to go 1, 2, 3, whoops, 1, 2, upload the other ones, 3, 4. Alright, so we need one more here, a lure, and you're just gonna start putting them in. So just click on that. Do the same for all of the magazines that we just downloaded. The next section is the viral results. So we're actually gonna use a website, tweetgen.com. This will be in the resources section down below. What you're going to do is you're going to go to ChatGPT and you're going to give it this first prompt here. So ChatGPT, it's going to put the product name, so thermal brush, and then from the brand Glamour brush. Just going to click enter. And then it's going to give you the usernames. It's also going to give you the tweets. And then you're just going to, then what you're going to do is you're going to go to Google and you're going to type in women influencer. We just need to find 3 of these images. So just going to go save as. Once we're done that, we're just going to go to focus again. Just going to go input image, remove this prompt. And you're going to start upscaling them because you want to make sure all of the images on your website are the highest quality. So just going to go to upscale 2x, I'm going to go generate, and then that's going to start loading. And then once that's loading, what you can do is you can get this information here from ChatGPT and you can start putting it in the prompt right here. So just going to go name, say Claire Roberts, and then for the username you're just going to click on this, put the username in. For the profile picture, just going to make sure you get the original one because otherwise it will be stretched, it won't work good. The date, you want to make it so it's in the past but not too far, so I'll do like this, just make this random, click done, randomize all, that should be good. And then once this has propagated, you're going to get this image and then you're just going to put it into here. So I'll be back once this, you're going to see this image here, you're going to go save as. You're going to go INF1 and then D. You're going to click save and then you're going to go here. You're going to toggle verify badge. You're going to go add image. And then you're going to go to this one here. Click done. Then you're going to click generate image. It's going to generate the tweet. You're going to click save image as. And you're going to call it tweet 1, then you're going to click save, and then we're just going to repeat the exact same steps that we just done for the other tweet. Okay, so that's how it's going to look. Now the other thing you want to do is go to columns in the center, it just looks more professional. Now next thing you want to do is on this comparison table, you just want to call it the name of your brand, so Glamour brush. And then you want to change product name to your product. So for me it's thermal brush. What you do here is just add the GIFs into here. And for the review section, this is actually a Trustpilot custom section. What we're going to do is we're going to go to ChatGPT. We're going to say, give me 6 custom reviews for the thermal brush product. And then it's going to spit out 6 reviews, and then all you want to do is you want to copy these, so I'm just going to drag it here, and you just want to go back and just paste it in here, and then you're just going to duplicate. I'm going to do the same for the remainder of the reviews. Make sure you get the name too, otherwise it will show the same name for all the reviews. And now that you have uploaded all the reviews, so that is the first video for the landing page. So everything on here is pretty much done. The only thing that needs to be added is the description, which will be in another video, and also adding the GIFs from the description into this section here. Now we're going to do the product description, get the GIFs, and the GIFs we will also use in this section here. So to get the GIFs, you want to go to TikTok and you're going to type in the name of your product. So for this example, it's thermal brush. And then you're just going to click on any video, it doesn't really matter as long as it's showing your product. And then you're just going to copy the link, go to snaptic.app, and you're just going to paste the link in there, click download, download again, just going to click exit out of the ad, and then you're just going to repeat that step 3 times. So there's 1, 2, so now we have 3 videos. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to CapCut, get a new project, and you're going to import materials. So you're going to go import, and you're going to find those 3 videos that you just downloaded. So these 3 here, click import, and you're just going to put it here. You're going to change this to 9:16, and then you're just going to get frame from the video, and you're going to click on these 3 dots here. You're going to click export still frame, and you're going to call it SF1. You're going to change this to downloads, open, click export. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're just going to clip, so just get 3 seconds of the video. You'll see why this is important in a second. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to Canva, we're going to create new design, and you're just going to go upload. You're going to upload those 3, and you're just going to go this one, so social media, Instagram Reel, so 1080 by 1920, so that's the reel size. And then you're just going to go to upload. You're going to upload all of those GIFs, and then you're just going to drag it here to make sure it fills in the whole thing. And you're just going to go share, download, change this to GIF, and you're going to change this to 432 x 768, and you're going to click download. And you're just going to repeat that for the next videos. Once all of them have been downloaded, you now have all your GIFs and also all the still frames that you're going to import into here. So now you're going to go into the SS video social grid section. So you're just going to scroll down here. Going to go into here, click on video, you're going to click on select, upload video, and now you're going to upload those GIFs. So they should be called just going to click all files. There we go, so untitled design, just want to upload those. Okay, so in this one you have to upload the .mov, so you're just going to upload those. Alright, and then once it has loaded, you're just going to go, so you just click on GIF 1, click done, and you're going to go to image poster, and here's where you're going to upload the still frames. So you're just going to open all 3 of them, and then you're going to match the still frame to that video. So this one will be still frame 1, so you're just going to click on that, click done. And then you're just going to repeat that same thing for the other videos. The next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down here to the button play background color. You just want to change to this green, and you want to do that for all of these that are the yellow color. Alright, so now that's done. This section is now done, so you just want to click on save. And then, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do the product description. So I'm going to click exit, go to products, and you're going to click on here. And now, so what we're going to do is assign the theme template. So you're just going to click on thermal brush, you're going to click save, And then what we're gonna do, we're actually gonna use this description here, but let's say you don't have a product description. You're just gonna get this and you're gonna go to ChatGPT and you're gonna say, write me a product description for, and name of your product. It's going to give you a description here, so we're just going to get this here, and then we're just going to remove this. We're going to try break it into 3 parts. So might do that first, I'm going to do that, and then we would do this. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go to insert image, you're going to go add image, and now you're going to add all those GIFs. You're going to click open, and now you just got to wait. Okay, so now that they have loaded, what you're going to do is you're just going to click on one, click done. Make sure you have your cursor here, and then you're just going to click here, click insert image, click on the second one, this one here. Doesn't really matter the order too much. And you're just going to go underneath the text again, and you're just going to click insert image and insert the third and final GIF. And then next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the GIF, you're going to click alignment, center and align, and you're just going to do that for all of them. Center align, center align, and then you're just going to click save. So now the product page is done. So if we go back, if we go preview, it's going to show you the product here. So we've got the nice GIFs, then we got the brand magazine, so just adding trust. Then we got the influencers, then we got the comparison table to give it more trust with the guarantee here. And we got these viral online, so it's showing them, you know, it's used by influencers online. And then we just got the Trustpilot reviews to add more trust. All right, so that is the product page in full.